feel like I have reached peak consumerism because I literally just bought water in a can. Like, I'm not even kidding you. This is literally just water. Water in a can. For £6.50 is water. Literally says the only ingredient, water. I can put water in a spray bottle for free. But here I am buying a water can for £6.99. Being serious, literally take my wallet away from me because I don't know what possessed me to get this. It's literally water in a can. Let's just see how much is actually in this. There's no way people are actually spending money on this.